Typically, products are sold in single quantities, but with product packs, you can offer your customers multiple quantities at specific prices. To begin, open a product group and click the plus icon in the pack title bar. Enter a title for the pack such as Pack of 2. Next, enter a code, which will be appended to the product IDs of the products you choose to build pack items with. Enter the number of products included in the pack and the prices for in-store and online sales. Click Save once finished to create the product pack. Now you can use the product pack and any added products to create product items. To do this, switch to Pack View and toggle the Show All button to display all potential pack items. Select one or several options from the list. Choose More Options, add product pack items, or use Shift-Command-N. You can then toggle the Show All button again to hide any remaining options. To remove pack items, select them and choose More Options. Delete product pack items. You can also remove the product pack from the product group by selecting it, pressing Delete, and confirming the action. Deleting a product pack will also delete any product items built using it. Any created pack items appear below your product variations when browsing your website. Offering products and packs provides a convenient way to enhance your store's offerings with Tuplo Studio.